Hello, today I will be presenting on the global burden of mental disorders. What is mental health? Mental health is an important part of a person's overall health, health being an integral combination of a person's physical, mental, and social well-being. According to the World Health Organization, mental health is a state of well-being in which a person realizes his or her own abilities, their ability to cope with stress and to work productively. They are able to help and contribute to their communities, and impact their mental state will cause someone to not be able to perform such things. Who is at risk of a mental health illness? People who are at risk are constantly experiencing a lot of stress. Many cultural and economic factors may influence a mental illness in a person. For instance, coming from a culture that is prone to forced and arranged marriages can cause extreme emotional suffering. Poverty can contribute to a person's mental health by bringing upon stress for not being able to financially support one's family. They are not able to seek proper health care or get the help they need. Very common in the younger age group is how violence contributes to mental health illnesses such as cyberbullying. Another is sexual violence and how it brings trauma to the victim, impairing their mental health. As well as another contributor is having early pregnancies, which can bring hardships to young mothers who are not capable to support themselves, let alone a newborn baby. What are some common mental illnesses? One is depression, which affects 300 million people in the world. It affects more women than men and causes someone to lose interest in their everyday activities. It makes them feel extremely sad. It makes them feel worthless and have a low self-esteem. The second one is bipolar affective disorder. It affects 60 million people worldwide. It causes someone to have manic and depressive episodes. The third one is schizophrenia, which affects 23 million people. It causes someone to have a distorted way of thinking. They suffer from hallucinations and delusions. Lastly, mental illnesses can cause someone to become suicidal. Every year, 800,000 people die from suicides. 79% of these suicides occur in low to middle income countries, and suicide is the second leading cause of death in 15 to 29-year-olds. Mental health affects many mothers and children. 10% to 13% of pregnant women or women who have just given birth suffer from depression. Depression causes these mothers to not be able to take care of themselves, and they are unable to respond to their baby's needs. As for children and adolescents, it affects 1 in 5 young people. Depression is the 9th leading cause of illness in this group. What resources are out there? For the younger people, a program that aims to provide guidance on their mental health and reduce at-risk behaviors is called Mental Health Gap Action Program, MHGAP. Another that focuses on mental health promotion and prevention is called Helping Adolescents Thrive, HAT. The Comprehensive Mental Health Action Plan for 2013 to 2020 calls for protection and promotion of human rights and empowering civil society. They promote one's mental well-being and prevent mental disorders. Additionally, they provide the proper care and recovery for an effective individual. Thank you.